Hello friends and welcome on my channel. Monsoon is here and everyone's most beloved childhood memory is making paper boats and yes, sailing it in the flowing water stream. So why not teach it to our kids too and create beautiful moments with them. This is a very basic and fun paper craft which kids will quickly learn. Vedansh loved it and he learned it very quickly. So let's begin. If you're new on my channel, I'm Dr. Vidya. I make videos on modern parenting, kid-friendly food and their activities. If you like my channel, then please do subscribe to it and do hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook @momIamhome. Let's start. So for making this, we need a square piece of paper. Not any specific size, you can take it as you wish. You can also take a paper from your rough notebook. Notebook pages are usually rectangular, so fold it like this and the extra end you can fold and tear it off. When you open it, you can see you get a square piece of paper. So let's make paper boat from this square piece. Fold it like this and once again fold it. So you can see by folding it twice, we get a smaller square. Now keep it like this along the diagonal and you have to take one flap of paper and bring the point of the flap towards the opposite point and press and fold. Yes, only one flap. Now you have to flip it, that is turn it around and then take all the rest of the three flaps. You can see there are three flaps of paper and bring all of them together to the opposite point. Press nicely and hold. Now you can see, just pick it up, there is a pocket. So just open that pocket, put your fingers or thumb inside and then fold it like this. You have to spread the envelope or pocket and you have to bring the opposite ends together. Now you can see it almost looks like a tulip flower. Then pick it up, hold it and try to open it like this. You have to open the flaps. It's almost like a flower. You have to stretch and extend the two ends. And you can see our paper boat is coming to shape. Just press it in the center also. Extend the edges, yes, and press it. So you can see our paper boats are ready for sailing. And if you like it, do try it and give a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And do share this video with your friends and relatives. And if you want to watch similar content on modern parenting, kid-friendly food and their activities, then the links I put here and they are also given in the description box below. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Yeah!
Sailing with this.
The boat is sailing.